welcome back, PONPON gang. How y'all doing? So I want to come on here and talk about my protective style for the month. I have been killing the protective style all summer long. June I wore my passion twist. If you have not seen that video, I'm gonna need you to click on that so you can go ahead and watch it, get inspired, because they were so simple, so easy to do. But I absolutely loved mine, and I held on to them for at least 3 weeks, which is usually what how long I keep on to most of my protective style. So I absolutely loved them. I was gorgeous in them. I was taking all kind of selfies and pictures. They were a perfect summer style. They were lightweight, weren't too heavy, but granted I did jumbo size because I knew I didn't want a whole lot of hair. So if you did them like medium box braid length, I'm pretty sure that was a lot of hair and probably very heavy. So June I rocked my jumbo passion twist. July and August I have been wearing nothing but wigs, and cheap synthetic wigs at that. Okay, so none of my wigs, I think the most expensive one I've purchased so far was like $50, and that's because it was a full frontal. But I've been rocking colors all summer long, and I just absolutely love it, especially since I took the pledge to not add any more chemicals or dyeing or anything like that to my hair, you know, to continue my healthy hair journey. My goal is to reach waist length hair. Right now I think I am at bra strap length, but again I've been protective styling for 3 months, so I just cannot wait to show y'all these inches. Like y'all just ain't gonna be able to tell me anything when fall comes and this humidity finally dies down for the summertime. So I am ready for that fall weather. I am so over summer. Y'all can have the hot girl summer, whatever. Y'all can have all that, because I'm ready for this fall weather, so I can start wearing me some booties and sweaters and slinging these inches around for y'all. Okay. Ooh. Oh Jesus, wait, hold on. Okay, so yes, I cannot wait. Okay, so I need to go and purchase one of those, you know, t-shirts that show your journey, like it has the inches on the back of it. I'm not sure where to get that from, so if y'all know, please let me know in the comments so I can go ahead and cop me one. Go ahead and cop one for the girls too, so if they sell them in kid size, that is even better, because Kalia's hair has been growing this past summer. Lonnie's hair has been growing. Even Boo is starting to finally thicken up from her, you know, baby hair. She's starting to get more curls. Her hair is starting to get thicker. But anyways, back to my inches that I'll be showing off for the fall and winter. So that's why y'all need to go ahead and hop on this protective style journey with me, okay? I've been protective styling for 3 months for y'all so far. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and jump on it, okay? It's not too late. Summer's not over yet. Get your last month in. Go ahead and protective style for the month of August. So when October, November comes around, because yeah, we probably won't be seeing no 70-degree weather until November in North Carolina, you can be slinging inches too, okay? Like, y'all just don't understand. I'm trying to get you right, get you good on that healthy hair, okay? Get them inches, get that growth, sis, okay? Because we are growing all 2019. When 2020 comes, they ain't gonna be able to tell us anything, okay? We're just gonna be walking in just like this, like So I'm gonna need y'all to do, you know, whether it's rocking twists, rocking braids, cornrows. You know, I have not done cornrows this summer, and I usually do those at least every year, but this year I was just so in love with those jumbo twists, and I've been so in love with these wigs. I've been rocking freaking dookie plaits up under this wig. Like, y'all just don't want to see the horror that's under this wig. But remember to still moisturize while you are wearing your wigs, ladies. And I don't mean just oiling your scalp. Like, you still have to apply your leave-in conditioner. Don't be afraid to apply those leave-in conditioners to these dookie plaits. My go-to leave-in conditioner right now is the Mia Organics leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey. Jesus, this product smells so good. I love the entire line. I use it a lot during the summertime for Kalia's wash and goes. I used it for Lonnie. I mean, it is the perfect product for everyone in my household. So I've been using that as my leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with the oil, and my oil of choice is coconut oil. I just love the way coconut oil smells. I just can't get enough of it. If I don't use that one, I go in with a tea tree or a jojoba, and I purchase these little oil tubes that you can pick up from Family Dollar or your local beauty supply store. I snatch these off the shelves because they're legit $1 little, and then I love the little nozzle on it because it is perfect for getting in those parts and underneath those plaits, because sometimes we only pay attention to the parts and forget that the plait up under that plait needs to be moisturized and oiled as well. There is scalp there too, ladies. I apply that. I put a little bit in my hand, in my palm, rub it together and rub it all over, making sure that I pay very close attention to my ends, because a protective style is supposed to protect those ends, to give them longevity, to help them live. So if we are not moisturizing, oiling, and staying hydrated, the protective style is just a waste of time. It is a waste of time. You're just putting a wig on just damaged hair. Don't forget what you're protecting, sweetie. Okay, it's not called a protective style for you to be dodging your scalp and staying moisturized and hydrated. It's called a protective style so you can protect those ends, protect that hair, protect that crown, so when 70-degree weather come rolling in and that humidity is down to 30%, we walking outside like, who did it and what? Like, I can't wait for my silk press. I will be annoying everyone, so be prepared. Y'all can't stand me now. You really ain't gonna stand me when fall weather comes, because I love me some booties too, and some sweaters, and some jackets, and some cover-ups, whatever you want to call them. Y'all just ain't ready. I just want to come on here and give that quick tip on how I've been protecting my hair under these wigs, and how protective style summer has been the best summer ever. Okay, I haven't had to really worry about my hair, making sure that it stays where it needs to be, so when it's time to show out and show off, we ready. We're gonna be ready. Are y'all ready? Go ahead and get ready.